Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Amara's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys simple but delicious recipe on how to make your coconut cake. 3 layers, some colors in this coconut cake is amazing and tastes so delicious. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get right into this recipe. Stay tuned. Alright guys, let's get started. In a bowl, I'm adding 1.5 stick of unsalted butter. And I'm adding 2/3 cups of vegetable oil, and I'm also adding 1/4 cup of sour cream. So once everything is being added, I also add 1 tablespoon of coconut extract and 1.5 cup of sugar, like regular sugar. Then I'll be adding half a teaspoon of salt. And to that, I'll go ahead and mix everything very well until they are well combined. And the next step, I'm using 8 eggs. So for now, I'm mixing the yolks. So I'm adding the 8 egg yolks. So everything is well combined at this point. I'm adding 2 tablespoons and half a teaspoon of baking powder. 2 tablespoons and half a teaspoon of baking powder. And to that, I'll be adding 2.5 cups of coconut milk. And I'll go ahead and mix everything up until they are well combined. So this is I'm using 4 cups of cake flour. Yes, I'm using cake flour, and everything has been well combined at this point. So I'll go ahead and set this aside, set the batter aside. So the next step, I'll set that aside and let it just stay calm and right over there. And the next step, I'm using 8 white eggs. So the white eggs that I got from the yolks. So I'll go ahead and blend this up. So until it becomes so fluffy. So the mix that I'm using wasn't doing a good job, so I have to switch to my regular and favorite mixer. So I mixed it until the egg becomes so fluffy, so much air in the white eggs, the egg whites. So I'm adding the batter right now, the cake mix, and I will gradually fold this in. Yes, I don't have to use the mixer anymore. So gradually I'll fold this in properly. So I don't want to mix this with the egg mixer because I don't want my egg to collapse and become so saggy. So I want to have a very creamy, rich cake. So on a baking pan, I'm using 3 different kinds of baking pan. So I use cooking spray. I spray in the cooking spray in them, and then use the paper towel to clean that up because I don't want the cake. I don't know why I keep saying egg. I don't want the cake to get sticky at all. So here we are. I already placed all of them in the pan, and I'll bake them for 30 minutes in 250 degrees Fahrenheit. So after 30 minutes, this is what the cake is looking like. It's still kind of hot right now. I could barely hold on to the pan. It's very, very hot. So guys, I'll go ahead and set that aside to cool down completely. So while it's cooking, let's go ahead and mix the batter. The frosting. So here I'm using 2 room temperature butter, and this is unsalted butter I'm using. You can use salted butter if you want, but I prefer unsalted butter. So I mix that up. I mix it up pretty well until they are well soft and fluffy. So I'm adding 8 ounces of cream cheese. So I'll go ahead and mix up the cream cheese until everything is well incorporated. So once everything is mixed up, I keep scraping them by the corner and then mixing to make sure that everything is very soft and fluffy. So once everything is done, So I'm using 2 cups of powdered sugar. It's like icing sugar. Yeah, so I'll keep adding that, gradually mixing it up until I have all the 2 cups mixed up very well. So once I have my 2 cups mixed up, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of coconut extract and also 1/4 cup of whipped cream, heavy whipped cream. So I'll go ahead and mix everything up very well until they are all incorporated and fluffy. So the next step, I'll be dividing all the mixture in 3 bowls, and I'll mix them up with different colors. So I have blue color, green color, and red color. So this is the cake. I just took out the part, the round part, just the rough part of it. I took that out, and you can go ahead and enjoy this like I'm doing right now. So here it's time to decorate the cake, and for the base I'm just adding a little bit of coconut flakes. Then I'll place in the first layer, place in the first color that I want. Then I'll continue with this process. Each layers I put the mixture, put some coconut flakes on it, and then place the other layer. So I continue this pattern until my 3 cake layers is all done. So look at that, it's looking so nice right now. So I'll go ahead and top up the top as well with another coconut flakes. So this is coconut cake. Yeah, I said cake. So this is coconut cake. So I want it to be very, very coconutty. Yes, I don't know if that's a word or what. Coconutty, yep, whatever. So look at that, everything has been well made, looking so nice. So I'll go ahead and use the coconut as well to go around the cake. So this might take a little time, but that's okay. So this is what it looks like after a couple of minutes of placing the coconut all over the body. So it's looking so nice, looks so delicious. I can't wait to cut in. Yes. So let's cut into this cake and see what it looks like. I actually made this cake for my son's birthday, 5th birthday party. So, and they loved this cake. It was so delicious. Alright guys, so this is so nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe today, and I wish you guys happy Valentine's that is coming up soon. So I hope you can make this for your guests on your Valentine's Day. So amazing, so delicious. You will love this. Your guests will love this. Your friends will love this cake. So I hope you guys enjoy watching me make this recipe at home. So guys, thank you all for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys on my next recipe. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye for now. Bye.